Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how or why I moved my WordPress website, my travel blog site, from WordPress to exposure.co. So if you're familiar with exposure.co, it's actually one of the lifetime deals that was run a few years back. So exposure, there's basically a builder. It's a built-in site builder. They specialize in portfolio sites as well as travel blog sites, which you can see here. I've started moving the posts from my current WordPress to exposure. So in this video, I'll break down the differences between WordPress and what's the advantage of being in exposure.co. So with WordPress, you can have a lot of plugins. You can customize a lot of things in here, like the layout and all. So I have custom posts actually that were already set up, and a few other things like the SEO plugins, the site kit, forms, and also custom themes. So with exposure, you only have options for branding. Basically, there's just a few options. It's specifically optimized to be very quick to set up. You'll just need to upload your logo, uh, choose the fonts, choose the theme, just two colors for the brand, as well as the layout. There's like 7 right now. So in my site, I'm choosing the mag layout. So with WordPress, you actually have a lot of options. Like I'm using Theme Isle, the Hestia Pro, for customizing my website. So it's optimized for more customization, WordPress. But if your main purpose is to actually just blog or post pictures, post reviews, I would definitely recommend Exposure. So as you can see, this is actually the exposure site that I've already uh, like set up in exposure. So this is our travel vlog. So this is the post actually. As you can see the difference of this one versus the one in WordPress. I've got a few other posts in here in WordPress. I use some automation to actually convert my existing videos to a blog post. But it's not perfect. There's a lot of things that are not uh, good about auto posting. So this is specifically the one that I move. So instead of blocks inside exposure, you consider them as stories. So got a few drafts in here. This one is draft right now. So as you can see, if I edit the story, there's still the cover photo. And also you can have a looping video. Basically, it's a video that's looping, so just a few seconds. So I'm going to make the blog post for our Movenpick stay in Thailand. So difference with hold on. Difference with WordPress, actually there's not much difference. Instead of like adding blocks in here, if you're using Gutenberg or uh, using Elementor as your main page builder. So right now I'm using Gutenberg blocks. So instead of using that, I actually used exposure. So we can have a single photo at the center, full width photo, a grid, an audio, a video, or an embed from YouTube or text. So as you can see in this post, let me just quickly go back and let's go to publish stories. Try to edit this story. You can see there's a built-in table of contents options right here. You can turn that on. Table of contents. You also have, when you add pictures or embeds, it automatically creates a section with the header and the body. So each block, I guess you can call it blocks. There's a title, a body, and the actual picture, video, or embed. You can even now upload PDFs here, a code, if you'd like it to have like a section for codes. And most importantly, it has a built-in grid. So let's say you're using your phone. If you're actually using your phone, it would look like this. You just quickly do that. So I've used my iPhone to actually upload all of these photos in here. So this is much user-friendly than WordPress. As you can see, when I use WordPress on my phone on this side, eh, I cannot edit the blog, or yeah, technically it's almost impossible unless I change my theme. This is not how it actually looks on the iPhone. So exposure is very much user friendly. So let's see, other differences here. They have a built-in map, so you don't need plugins. It's very fast loading. So here's a map of the stories. So you can actually tag your location right at the bottom. As you can see, I've already embedded the YouTube video I have on our YouTube channel, Twin Lakes Hotel. So you'll have story maps. Once I'm finished re-uploading all of the blog or the stories here, you would see the actual map of the pictures and the places that we've visited. So, and also it would not have this issues on WordPress. Sometimes there's a lot of issues that's going on here. Similarly, you'll have also meta tags, you'll have categories in here, you can have keywords, search engine options. It automatically generates your description, or you can just manually put in your description in here as well. So you can let you can let people download your images if you want. You just turn on a few settings here like photo downloads, or yeah. So a lot of things that you can actually do in WordPress, you can exactly do it inside Exposure. Okay, so yeah, let's just try to leave. We've not done any changes in there so far. So aside from that, in the design, you can have your links in here. As I mentioned, there's not much customization you can do here, but you can do the menu. So in WordPress, you need to like go to your appearance, menus, but in Exposure, it's all here in the settings. Their menu builder right there can add up to six items. You can have like asset library as well. So all of the pictures, all of the story photos, all of the videos you've uploaded, it would all be right here. So using your phone, if you're an iPhone or an Android, you can actually use it to upload. They've introduced some AI powers like automatic text and video cover captioning. You can integrate it with your own custom domain. I've already put in my custom domain in here. Integrations, of course, you have your tracking ID as well. And what else? So pretty much everything that you'll be using in WordPress, it's already in Exposure. So they have also a built-in story subscriber system, yeah, browser push notification. They can actually have a nudge for them to uh, subscribe. So you can have your own privacy policy, cookie, terms of service, subscriber terms. Okay, so I not yet ticked that basically. So yeah, so there's a subscriber link there. You have contact page as well, built-in contact page. So you can subscribe to stories. So there you have it. Uh, I'm moving my WordPress blog to Exposure. If you do have any questions or some suggestions on the next review, just post it in the comments and see you in the next video.